This is the Asus UN65U. It's a Intel i5 with the 7th generation i5 with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of M2 SSD storage. Here there's a Kensington lock on this side. We got power, HDMI, DisplayPort, 2 USB ports, Ethernet, and headphones or line out. We got a SD card reader, an off switch, and 2 more USB ports. So 4 in total. I think this computer is about 7 years old. 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB of M2 SSD storage. So I'm gonna open this up now. It's fairly easy. The first thing you need to do is to remove the rubber feet. Just use a small screwdriver and you can easily get them off. And underneath are Phillips screws. So just use a Phillips screwdriver. Yeah, this is fairly easy. Only 4 screws. Almost there. Regular Phillips screws. Let's open this computer up. You can try and pry it open with a piece of plastic, flathead screwdriver, or just using your hands, fingers. It's fairly easy to get open the bottom. And here we got the inside of the computer. We got 2 4 GB of RAM chips and a M2 SSD. I'm gonna unscrew the M2 SSD. Just that one screw. And just pull it out. Like that. Thanks for watching.